What up, world? It's your homie Mag 357 Guns. I got another August pickup. You know what I'm saying? This time we got three of them. So let's just go ahead and get into the boxes and see what we got going right now. So I'm gonna be very, very careful because I know that there's suede shoes in here, and we don't want them to get cut. That'll be a disaster. So let's do what we gotta do. All right. Now, as I pull these out, we got the size 14. These are the Jordan 60 plus. Okay, Jordan 60 plus. They do have some issues in the suede. I believe it's just where something has, maybe some soap or something has dried up on the shoe. So, as always, you know how I get down, because I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. And we're going to move on to the next shoe real quick, as fast as possible. Or I might just put this down if I can't get it moving fast enough, and go on to the next shoe. But yeah, this is the Jordan 60 plus, and it is a compilation of all the Jordans that Michael Jordan dropped 60 points or more in. So of course you got the 5 here. You got a piece of the 3. You know what I'm saying? Piece of the 4. Something like that. And these are the Breds. These are the black and red model. Okay. So I'm gonna teach y'all something real quick. When you are washing your shoes, I don't give a damn what type of shoe you got. Wash it in cold water, please, because you will eventually, if you don't, you're gonna recede this stuff. But I know this is a good solid shoe here. So yeah, I don't want to make my my shoe recede or unglue, first and foremost. So here's the other shoe, and as you, like I said, you can see where there's some kind of soap or something that has dried up on the shoe. And it doesn't have a smell or anything, but I'm gonna clean it up anyway because I don't want that on my shoe. And then we're gonna move on to the next one. See, I should already be on the next one by now anyway. I know that's what some of y'all saying, so it is what it is. I'm moving as fast as I can, and then we're gonna get you another shoe out. And this is 1 of 3, okay? 1 of 3. Jordan 60 plus. Alright. I need to be careful on these little pieces right here, because and when we get done, I'm gonna do a video with my collection of J's that I got for the whole month. Okay? For the whole month of August. And we ain't even, it's August 15th. And trust me, I got over 15. So, Jordan 60 plus. The Breds, black and red. I'm proud. They got a couple of little small flaws on them, but nothing major. Box number 2, let's go. So again, like I told you, I'm gonna go ahead and cut right there. And hopefully I don't cut the shoe or anything like that. So we gotta be careful. And then I'm just gonna split this with my hand. Mix up and split it with my hand. Okay. Oh, I don't know what we. Oh, they dirty, but we gonna make it work. These are Jordan Retro 1s low. Okay. Okay. Jordan Retro 1 low. What I like about this shoe is it's a good solid shoe too. And I can get all the way around there back white again with a little 40 volume. I like the thick laces on it. Pretty good. Let's check out the other one. He put it in the Macy's bag. Okay. And I won these in a bid. $5 plus the shipping. So it came out to be like 17 when I got done with it. And there's a little blue right there. Keep that in mind. We're gonna see if we can get that all off. And there's a little spots where the paint then came off and got scratched up right there. But it's okay, like I told you. I'm not expecting a lot out of these, but when I clean them up, I'm gonna restore them later on. And I'm gonna do videos on all this type stuff. Yeah. Jordan retro, ha! Jordan retro one low. Okay, so I'm gonna take the laces out of that one later. Now look, this box says Jordan 8 retro. It's a size 13 in the box. However, I don't wear a size 13. I wear a size 14. Okay. So last time I got a box, I told you we don't respect people that put these boxes in here like that. But both times, the box is not the actual shoe that's inside the box. I already know that. So I don't really care. I mean, do what you do. Gotta get the product out. So do what you do. It is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and rip that out. I had some I still got a shoe out there, and I got the post office looking for the shoe. We've narrowed it down to 2 places that the shoe could be, and I got the wrong package or whatever, so I'm waiting on them to resolve that or find the package or whatever and get that to me. So these are the Jordan SC3, I think. This is a size 15 though. Okay, size 15. If it's not the SC3, it's the SC1. And I'm using my phone, so I can't really tell you which one it actually is. But I think it's the SC3. Cosmetically, pretty good on the glue. Maybe a couple spots that are questionable, but nothing too crazy. Nothing I'm gonna really have to worry about. It's got a couple cuts on it, but I mean, you know, it's a used shoe. Jordan. Checking them out. But either way it goes, these are my pickups for August. And I hope y'all enjoyed this with me. It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. 1.